Hi guys, how are you all?
Good.
Good. Okay. Good to see you all. Hi Amog.
Hello, Miss Priya. This is Sushma. Thank you for letting Amog in today.
Oh sure. Hi. Ashish, I want everybody on the video, guys. Please. I really want everybody on the video. Amog is there. Ashish is there. Okay. Anybody? Because see, I'm seeing a couple of you for the first time. Hi Ramya. Are you good? Are you okay?
Yeah, hi, Miss Priya. She's
Hi.
just renaming the profile.
Sure,
Aradhya
sure,
is here.
sure. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
thank you
know.
so much.
No worries.
Yeah,
Yeah. You're okay, ma. I know it's early, right?
no, she's up from 3, so she's good.
Good. That's nice to know.
Yeah.
Hi,
Thank
Ashok. How are you? See, Ashok is your dad's name, right?
Yeah.
I know. Yeah, Vihan, that's easy for me. Okay, I need to talk to you after class, right, Vihan?
What?
I need to talk to you after class, right? You're the one who's going to India, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I have to talk to mom after the class without fail. Sarvata, good to meet you. Neil, good to meet you. Devans, good to meet you. Since this is the first class, I want to spend the time, spend 1 or 2 minutes on where we are, who is coming, who is going. I want to know, right, properly. So, let me quickly check that. Arihan, good to see you, Arihan. Okay. Um, Viraj is here. Today is June 5, right? I just want to make sure definitely who is here, okay? Vihana Shokan, Sarvata is here, Arihan is here. Oh, Kabir missed. Okay. Oh my gosh. Aradhya is here. Devansh is here. Vian is here. Vian Joshi. Hey, Ashish Joshi, please change your name. I'm seeing you for the first time. I'll start calling you Ashish and I'll put my brain saying that, oh, this name fits with Ashish, not Vian. Should I do that? Please change. Okay. Shall I go ahead? Okay. Okay. I just want to know where we are, first of all. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Um, okay. First, we'll revise. Okay. 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 You're all able to see my screen? Okay, good. Kabir joined finally. That's good. Okay. Okay. How about this? I'm going to ask you guys. Let me see what you all do. I just want to know a pulse of the class as well. Let's see. How do you do this?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. You know what? How this class operates, let me tell you, okay? Many a time we'll have a discussion, okay? Since this is just going to be review to understand where each of you are. First of all, I need to understand where each of you are, right? So, in this case, right, wherever we do a review or after explaining a concept, you want to go ahead and send answers to me, you can use the chat window. In the chat window, you can chat with me, not with anybody else in the classroom. Chat is disabled for you to chat with anybody else in the classroom. Okay. For every answer, for every question that we discuss, I expect an answer from each one of you. You see, and it would be nice if you can participate and discuss. If you get the right answer, be proud to explain it to everybody else as well. You see, that way you get that skill as well. And for the homework, right? You can submit it in Google Classroom. Okay, usually I set a deadline. It's nice to submit it before that, but definitely if you're not submitting it, I need to get a message from your parents stating that, oh, he has not done the homework for this reason. Okay, so that puts us or puts me, you, your parent in sync. Got it? If you're not able to do, I understand. Okay, some of the weeks it's very difficult to do, but then I need to get a message from your parents, okay, stating that, hey, for this reason he was not able to do the homework. Okay, any questions for me? Any questions for me? Good job, Devansh, on the answer. Yeah, guys, go ahead, do this problem, send the answer in chat. First, let me understand where each of you are. We got Devan's answer. Some of you might find it easy, but that's okay. Okay, I just want to see where we are. Mm-hmm. Viraj, good job.
I have a question.
Uh-huh.
In the chat, it says the chat is
Chat
completely disabled.
Disable, yeah, ma. Zoom has brought up so many changes. Okay, the previous class also suffered. Okay, Zoom has changed their interface. Okay, it's not that they have done, I mean, they've changed it. That's all. So let's see. Amok, that's right. Okay, so let's see. Arihan, you're not able to chat?
Yeah, same here.
No, you will be able to, guys. You have to figure out how to chat. Okay, it's not hard. Others are chatting, right? Because same thing happened. I know what is the problem. So figure out. If you're not able to figure out, then I'll help you. Ashish, correct. Sarvata, correct. Okay, who is not able to figure out now? Arihan, if you're not able to figure out, I'll help you. Okay, reply to me. Make sense? Kabir, did you figure out?
Yes, ma'am. There's like this blue, like small, like square button on the top of the
Correct.
chat. You need to
Correct.
click on that.
Oh, correct,
I found
correct.
out how to chat. I found out how to chat.
Good job. See? Figuring out is thrill. Go ahead. Okay. Arihan, is that right, Arihan? Okay, guys, looks like it's very easy for all of you. Okay, I'm going to just quickly do this. 3 times 4 is 12. Now, divide by 1 by 30, right? Okay, you don't need to, you don't need to do this as well. Okay, so here 12 times 30 by 1. It's not a decimal, right? Division. You cannot you cannot divide, so you will have to multiply by its reciprocal. So this is, see, how do you multiply this? You multiply this and then add the 0. Make sense? Can I move on? Now let's see. How about this?
I didn't realize that the dot was a multiplication symbol.
Uh-huh. Oh, I see. It's okay, Rihan. Do this one correctly. The thing is, please don't sit and multiply 20 times 24 times 28 times 32. Okay, this class is a little different. The way the questions are given is, yes, it is complicated when you look at it that way, but you don't have to multiply 20, 24, 28, 32. You see what I mean? And you don't have to multiply 10, 12, 14, 16. That's not the way I'm expecting. So let's try. If you don't get it, I said, right, I want to understand first the class for 15 minutes. So it's okay for you to go try and do your way, break your head and come back and I'll ask you how you did. Mm-hmm. Good job. Hey, Ashish Joshi, it's Vihan Joshi, right? You're not able to change the name, huh?
Yeah, it's like that for me.
Okay, so you're not able to change. Then you have to raise and tell me, right? Hey,
Yeah.
I'm not able to change the name. Help me out. Yes. Shout out if you need help, right? Let me see. So you're not able to. If you're not able to, just feel free to stop the class and say, okay? Okay. Can I name it as Viaan, right? Correct, ma?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. I'm waiting, guys. I'm waiting. Yeah. I would really expect the class to be a little faster as we move on. Okay. Devansh, is that correct? I don't think it's correct. Okay, can I show you an easy way? Okay. Slowly, speed will also matter. Okay, I will definitely help Maharadhya. You don't feel, don't have to feel for saying, hey, I didn't get it. Okay, if you didn't get it, you didn't get it. Amog, good job. Okay. Amog, you're doing it by yourself, huh? I just want to know, meaning it's not to question you or judge you, nothing of that sort. Are you doing it by yourself or mom is helping? I just want to know.
Mom is looking at my work.
Oh, that is okay. As long as you do, but try to do it on your own. Otherwise, just say it in chat. Mom helped, and I just want to know. Okay, now go ahead, see this one, guys. This one, right? See, when you think about it, 20, 24, 28, 32, you don't need to multiply. Don't sit and multiply. You have to play with numbers, okay? Numbers should not take hold of you. You should take care of numbers, okay? You manipulate your numbers. Think in a different way. See, 20 by 10 is 2. 24 by 12 is 2. Multiplication, right? 28 by 14 is 2. 32 by 16 is 2. See it in a different way. So 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16. So easy, right? Answer comes within a minute. Sarvata, did you get that, ma?
Yes.
Okay. Let's move on. I want to ask you more questions like this. Let's see. Yeah. How about this? This is a good one. Okay. How about this? Let me change the numbers a little bit. I don't want the exact number. Let's see. Okay. How will you do this one? Now I want one of you to explain to me. Amog, can you explain?
I'm still solving.
See, it's not that you need to solve. Don't worry, okay? It's more of a discussion as well, many a time. Kabir, you have some thoughts? Go ahead.
Okay, so wait. Wait, what if we just add like, okay, so like draw a line and then draw like 7 on the bottom, and then whenever you go across, like,
Okay. Draw 7 on the bottom.
and then go like, okay, so 7, so do like 1 on the first one. Like, this is like 1 because it's divided by 1. Then 1. But then we have a 0 here, so then
Okay. Okay. Good thoughts. So now you can separate this out. See, numerator you have 2 plus 3 divide by 7. What do? This is nothing but 2 by 7 plus 3 by 7. Correct? So what do you do here? You don't need to sit and add. Don't sit and add. Even if it is in parentheses, you don't need to sit and add. But what you can do, you can process this separately, process this separately. Make sense? So that will be 1 1 comma 1 1 1 comma 1 1 1 comma 1 1 1. This divide by this is so easy to do, right? Plus 1 1 comma 0 1 1. So now this is easy to add, right? 1 1s are easy to add. See? I just align it properly, add and get the answer. Any questions here?
I did the same strategy. I had the idea of just dividing that number by 7 and then that number by 7 and then adding it both.
Exactly. Good job.
This is
That's what you did. Okay, good, Neil. See, we'll discuss a few strategies and then we'll see, okay? Neil, good job, Neil. I am proud to see the answer. Okay, Arihan, good job. Okay, let's go ahead. My chat is the best way, okay? I really need answers from each of you. That's the only way for me to really understand, or you have to do it on the board. Let's see. How about this? Okay, how about this? 50 times 60 times 70. Some of these problems are similar to the ones we already solved. The moment I put the question on the board, you can answer these questions. Slowly, that is the expectation. So let's see. Not right off. It's okay. Let's see. Nice, Amog. Aradhya, good to see you. Devansh, you have the solution, but that wasn't right. Be careful with the number of zeros you add, Vian. You did it correct. Sorry, Vian. You did it correct. Sarvata correct. Vihan correct. Viraj correct. Okay, so you guys are good at it. Nice. Okay, correct. Sarvata, did you get it? Did you send the answer, ma?
I think I forgot to put another 0.
That's what I thought. Okay. After seeing your answer, I went there. I thought the other answer was incorrect. Good. Okay. Okay. Nice.
Okay.
Okay.
Miss Priya, is my answer right?
Yes.
My answer correct?
Neil, is your answer correct? Everybody who sent got it right, Anna. Neil, is your answer right? Neil.
Wait, I think I mistyped or something. I know the answer.
Can you send the answer? Okay, let's go ahead with another one. This is going to be a little tricky. Let me see how fast you do this. I want an explanation. If you send me an answer, I would want an explanation. Okay, that's the only way. No, that's another way for me to know. Let's see. Go ahead. I'm also trying to quicker ways of solving as well will be a part of the class. So we need to discuss how you did. I'm waiting for your answer still, Neil. I did not forget. Oh, wow, Arihan, good job. Neil, not really, right, Neil? Neil, I really want to work with you, Neil. See, 50 divided by 5 is at 10. 60 divided by 6 is at 10. Right? Then again 70 divided by 7 is at 10. Then 80 divided by 8 is at 10. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it, ma?
Got it.
Okay. Okay, now I'm checking the answers for the next one. Kabir, you got a hold of it, but your answer seems incorrect to me.
Wait, can I tell you what you did so you can help me?
Do you want me to help you?
Um,
Recalculate, you'll get it correct. I'm pretty positive. Vihan, correct. Can you explain? Vihan, don't worry, we'll see. Not really, Vihan. Vihan, hold on, okay? I'll help. Vihan, can you explain? Not really, Viraj.
oh, I see what I
did a
did wrong. It
misstep.
was a simple miscalc solution.
I know, I saw that. Okay. Amog or Vihan, I want one of you to explain.
Miss Priya, I did a mistype, so.
No problem. You can send it to me again.
I can explain.
Go ahead.
So I just grouped the numbers 91 and
Mhm.
99 and 92 and 98 and 93 and 97 and 94 and 96 and 95 I kept. And so 95 was alone. So I calculated 90. So we have 4 groups. And so 91 plus 99 was 190, and then I multiplied it 4 times, which gave me 760. And then I added the 95, which gave me 855.
Very nice, Amog. Vihan, can you explain? How did you do?
Did all the numbers to 100 to get 900.
Wow, that's a good one too. So you put all the numbers to 100 and kept on reducing, huh?
And then I added 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1.
N-
And then I got 45.
Nice.
And
See,
then
yeah, see, when you're doing these books, right, you should be very well aware of the fact that numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 should be memorized. Okay. This is 55. If you remove the 10, it's 45. So if you add up the ones places, it is 45. And then what are you adding? 90, 90, 90, 90, 90, 90, 90, 90, 90. Take away the ones. Make everything 90. How many 90s are there? 90 times 9. So it is 810, right? And after that, you add the 1 to 9, which is a 45. So 855. Make sense?
I did it a different way. What
How?
I did is I grouped all the ones into tens, all the numbers in the ones place into tens. So that gave me 4 tens, and then I had an extra 5. So
Yeah.
that became 45, and I multiplied 90 by 9, and I got 810, and then I added them.
Perfect. That's nice too. Can I move on? Viraj, you got a hold of it?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. Devansh, are you getting it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Let's do a few more. Okay. How about this? This is funny. Let's see. Mm-hmm. We'll deal with this. These are quick strategies to work out quickly. Okay. But the thing is, let's see. I want to get into exponents, but not today. Okay, let me see. Go ahead. Yeah. Yeah, the quicker you do, the more problems we can solve. I know we are only discussing strategies. That's okay. The first week is going to be like that. And I want you to do things quickly too, slowly. There's nothing hard about this, okay, when you think about it. Oh, Viraj, you understood, but you made a mistake, Viraj. Good, Vian. Good, Amog.
Is my answer correct?
Is your answer correct? Vihan, you understood, but I think you made a mistake. Yes, Vian, correct. Why are you doubtful about your answer? You got it, right? Why so many question marks?
I don't know.
You have to feel confident, okay?
Okay.
Even if it's wrong, what big deal, right? Yeah, Arihan, correct. Arihan, correct, ma. Neil, correct. Oh, Neil, nice, Neil. Devansh, you also understood it, but you're making a mistake.
Oh, wait. I think I know it now.
Vian, yes, yeah, that's right. My bad answer forgot to carry. Oh, I see. Aradhya, I see. For the last one, I got your comment only now. Okay, Aradhya, did you get it? Shall I help you?
Yes.
Yeah. See, slowly you'll start crossing numbers like that. Okay. When you look at this, right? What is common? This is common. Did you see? Take it out. Distributive property. Distributive property is such a treasure in mathematics. Okay, distributive property is so helpful. Take it out. 1587. Reverse of distributive property. You take it out. Take whatever is common. Then what is left? 693. Subtract 692. This is a 1. 1 times 1587. Got it? Distributive property is a treasure in mathematics. Okay. Everywhere when you use it, you will see numbers in different perceptions. Okay.
Yeah,
So-
that makes more sense.
Yeah, good. How about this? 998. I want you to do this in your head. No writing. Okay. How are you going to do this? 998 times 23. Who can explain? The one that gets it first can explain. Kabir, go ahead.
So okay, here's what I would do is I would break the 20 the 23 into the 20 plus 3, and then I do a 20. So the 20 is like 10 and 10. So just do 9980 times 2, which would be
But that is a lot of calculation, right? There is you are right, but the process is right. Think about a different way and you can do it quickly. But you got it. You are there. Can you try? Yeah, Devansh has an answer. Let me see. Okay, Devansh for the last one. Okay. Devansh, did you understand the last one's mistake?
Yeah.
Good.
Can I explain?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay,
Arihan.
so first, I thought of like, can I write on the board?
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
Mm.
So I first did 23 times 1000 because
Good job.
it's close to 998. So that's
I can write for you. 23,000. After that, what did you do?
23,000. And then I just subtracted what 23 times 2 is, which is 46. So I subtracted that.
26. Yeah. So, but from 23,000, how to subtract 26 easily?
Wait, I meant 46.
46. Yeah. How did you subtract 46 easily? Sorry.
I just used the regular method.
So, what is the easiest way here? From 3,000, go back 40, then go back 6. You will never make mistakes. Okay. One time I had my daughter calculate like this. Okay. This wasn't a big exam, meaning nice exam where she missed out a full score because of that. Here, 45 plus 55. You see, meaning it's very easy. 100 minus 55 was asked. Okay, she wrote it as 35. She wrote it as 35. So 35, or she wrote it as 65, whatever it is. So here it's so easy to make a mistake here. The best way is 100 minus 45. If you want to do, take away the 40, 60. Meaning what I'm saying is 100, first subtract the 40, then subtract the 5. So this becomes 60. 60 minus 5 is 55. You'll never make mistakes if you do this. Whereas if you just like that write it, right, there's every chance that you can make a mistake here. So split 50 and then the 5. You'll not make a mistake. Okay. So let's see this one. 23,000 minus 46. How did you do? 3,000 minus. What was the answer here? 2. I want the answer. Send the answer to me quick. Vihan, is the answer right, Vihan?
Have to check it.
What is it? Yeah, you have to check it, right? That's what I thought. Okay, go ahead. Good job, Arihan. Vihan, you made a minor mistake. How can the answer be more? Think about it. Do a sanity check. How can the answer be more? I know why you did that. Vihan?
Yeah, I'm fixing it.
Vihan, again, just the same thing that I said now. You made that mistake. See, when you see, guys, it's a big number. How to subtract it without making a mistake? Here, 23,000, you're going to subtract a 40. So what happens? Immediately, this will go down, right? So that will become 2. However, this becomes 9, right? But from the 9, you have subtracted a 4, right? It will be a 54. Makes sense? Vihan,
Yeah.
same mistake we discussed here you have done. Did you see that? Yeah. So just be careful when you subtract that. First subtract the 40. When you subtract the 40, it becomes 60. And from the 60, you're going to subtract the 6. It's going to give you a 54. You see? Okay. Amog, are you with me? Okay, let's see this. Okay, I want you to do this one. Let's see. How about this? Let's see, which I have something written down, but how to do this one? Okay. This one should be easy for you now that we already discussed. It's okay. It's okay to do an easy one too. Quick, the next moment I have to see answers. So let's go, let's take it that way. Have you guys all tried number sense? Doing 80 questions in 10 minutes? Has any of you tried it? You've tried it, Ma? Okay.
Wait, can you say again?
Have you tried number sense?
I don't think so.
80 questions in 10 minutes. Okay. Amu, you do UIL, huh? You can chat.
Well,
You
no,
can chat. Okay.
I do PSI.
Okay. PSI. Okay. Go ahead.
Wait, is my answer right?
I'm checking. Yes, your answer is right, Vihan.
But
Yes, your answer is right, Arihan. Vihan, correct. I think you guys got it. Let's move on. I feel Aradhya Gudama. I don't think I need to see this. Sarvata, you made a silly mistake. Okay. Everybody got it right. I verified. Okay. Let's move on. It's easy. Hey, Devansh, did you send?
Is my corrected answer correct?
Yeah, Devansh, you didn't send him, huh?
I was kind of confused.
Okay, you're confused. See, then you have to voice out, right? Okay, Sarvata, there was a mistake. See here, Sarvata, what we do? 64 was common, right? Take it out. What remains? 26 minus 24. So 64 times 2 is a 128. Okay, let's move on. Can I move on?
yeah.
Sarvata, what happened, Sarvata? You didn't get it.
Oh no, I accidentally multiplied it by 64 times.
Okay, now you got it?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Okay. How about this? This should be pretty easy for you all. You can say the answer quick. Vian, are you in a hurry? No, I think you're not. Vian, correct. Devansh, you're in a hurry. Viraj, no. Viraj, Devansh, check your answer, guys. Kabir, correct. Sarvata, correct.
Wait, can I explain after?
Yes, why not?
Thank you.
Yes, Vian, correct. Amog, you are in a hurry. Were you in a hurry? That's okay.
Was my answer correct?
That's nice, Vian, to know. Yeah, your answer, Arihan. I did not yet check. I'm sorry. Yes, Arihan, your answer is right. Vihan, correct. Neil, it's a -1, right?
Oh yeah, I think I forgot to put the minus.
Aradhya, very nice, ma. Okay, let's move on. So here, Amog, did you understand what was the problem? Amog, did you get that? No. Where did you miss? Tell me.
I first did -9 minus -5.
Aha, the minus and minus. Okay. Wait. Okay, you first did this and this, right? Right. But then -9 subtract -5, right? How can you subtract -5? There can be two operations together, right? So it becomes -9 plus 5, right?
Oh.
Does it make sense? Okay, can I move on? Okay, let's see. Anyway, Beast Academy
use the
4
rest-
covers.
May I
Yeah.
use the back restroom?
Yeah, you can. Amog, if I'm right, your 4th grade covered negative numbers, right? Are you not exposed to negative numbers yet? You are, right?
Yeah, but in school they taught me something else.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. I feel like I should do more of negative numbers. Let's see. In school, they taught you negative numbers?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I see. Okay, let's see. How about this? Let's see how we guys do this. I want to think, each of you to think for yourself first. If you didn't understand what I have written, you have to let me know, please. I try to be legible.
Is the dots multiplication line?
Good question. And so on. If you have 3 dots, that means and so on. That means the pattern continues. Whatever pattern is in here, that continues.
Wait, is mine correct?
I'm checking, guys. It's nice to see. Yeah.
Are we supposed to solve, or is it we're
You're,
supposed to figure out the
you're supposed to solve and give me a number as the answer. Vian, good job.
I think.
Sarvata, nice. Slowly, it'll come through, guys. Amog, where are we? See, I'll start understanding only when I ask more questions in different topics, I feel. That's fine. Sarvata, correct, ma'am. Neil, I think you got a hang of it, but you made mistakes. Can I help you?
Yeah.
But why don't you try? Arihan, good job. Good job. Yes, Arihan. I was about to say. Okay, think about it. Okay, now I'll give you a clue. Okay, there are some. You want to explain? Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so first, so I know there was the numbers from -10.
You want me to write down for you?
Yes, to
Okay, I'll do.
12. So I know that all the numbers from like 10, like the -10 to 10, cancel each other out. Like -10 plus 10 is 0, -9 plus 9, 0, and so on. So like the 0 thingy.
Let me write down and show everybody too. Okay, then plus 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4,
Until
plus
10.
5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8, plus 9, plus 10, plus 11, plus 12. Now the thing is, yeah, sorry, go ahead. Sorry.
So all the things in like here just like cancel each other out. So it's basically just 11 plus 12, which is 23.
Good job. Now, let me redo this a little bit once more, okay? If you don't mind, okay? Now, let's see. Okay. So here, this minus 10, minus something plus of that always adds up to 0, right? So here there is a minus 10, there is a plus 10 plus 11 plus 12, right? So 10 and 10 got cancelled, 9 and 9 got cancelled. Keep repeating this. 8, 7, 6, 5. 8, 7, 6, 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now what remains? Only the 11 plus 12. That adds up to 23. Amog, Devansh. Did both of you get it?
Wait, Miss Priya.
Yeah.
So basically, whenever it says dots and then it says the other number, so it means going all the way down to like 0 and then going back up. I thought it meant like going from like -10 to plus -8, but then you're starting from you just start off from 0 and then you go +9. You start off and then from positives. But do you have to go like all the way down and then all the way up?
Exactly, because this pattern continues
Oh, okay.
till it comes here. Does that sound good?
Yeah, thank you. I didn't.
Okay. No problem, Kabir. Amok, did you understand?
No, I was still solving.
But okay. Allama, are you able to see what is going on?
I understood it.
Okay, you want me to wait?
Oh, no, it's fine.
Okay, how about Neil Neil, where was the mistake, Neil?
I didn't realize the numbers canceled each other out with the negatives.
Oh, so did you do the addition and set the answer as 77?
Yeah.
Ah, wow. Okay, but did you get it now?
Uh-huh.
See, I didn't think that was like that. Okay, good to know though. About this. Do you all know this one? How to multiply this quickly? How to multiply these two numbers quickly? Amma, if you know, you say. Don't need to do. Please, I'm not looking at answers. Do you know how to multiply this quickly? Yes, no. There are two answers, right? You have to say yes or no.
Yes.
You cannot
Yes.
keep quiet. You know in my class. Huh? Okay. Yes. Then explain, Arihan.
So I used the strategy, just a quick strat.
Mm.
It went. Oh. So can you write it down for me?
Absolutely, I can write it down. Go ahead.
Okay. So
Mm.
first you what?
Go ahead. You tell me. I'll write down.
What's the criticism? Okay. So
I'll explain.
I just did 24 times 26.
Mm.
So I wrote that down like in vertical form.
Ah, you did vertical crossways, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
The 4 times 6 is 24.
Mm.
And then I did the 2 times 6 plus 2
Mm.
times 4, which
Mm.
is 20.
Mm.
That's for the tens place. And then I did 2 times 2, which is 4.
You did the crosswise, and did you not add this? You
Wait,
did
so
the
then
cross. I understand. Okay, 12 plus 8, 20, 22, right? And then 2 again carry. Is it not like this?
Wait, how do you do the vertical cross?
I'll tell you, Ma. I'll tell you the way I wanted to do it and the way he did it as well. Arihan, you forgot to add the 2. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, Amog raised his hand. What was that, Amog?
So I found another way to do it.
You can explain.
So you make 4 boxes.
Oh, okay. Got it. Box multiplication. Did you do this?
Yeah.
I like that. It's a good one. So, okay, guys, let's go over all the 3 ways. Okay, let's see which is quicker for whom. 24 times 26, right? Number 1 is let's go with what Arihan said. Okay, this is called vertical and crosswise. The method is called
I have a
vertical.
question.
Yeah,
I
go
just
ahead.
realized something.
Mm-hmm.
So wait, or wait, never mind. You can go first.
Okay. 24 times 26, right? Vertical. 6 times 4 is 24. Carry over the 2. Okay. Now crosswise. Okay. Do both the multiplication and add them together. 4 twos are 8. 6 twos are 12. 12 plus 8 is what? 20. Add the 2. 22. 2 carry. Okay. Now again vertical. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. That's it. Any questions? Again, I'll do one more. 56 times 23.
Wait, I have another one. Wait, so like in vertical crosswise, so we do first vertical for the right side, then you do crosswise, then you do the vertical for the left side.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Yes.
Thank you.
Yep. Okay, this is vertical and crosswise. I will come back and solve questions that you have as well. Okay. Now, one another thing, what you can notice is if there are if you are going to find the product of numbers that are equidistant, right? More than this is equidistant from 25, correct? This is 1 away, this is 1 away, right? For these type of questions, right, it's so easy. I'll tell you why it works as well, okay? 25 square. 25 square is what? 25 square?
605.
Yep, 625. And then subtract the square of the distance. Subtract the square of the distance, 624. Numbers that are equidistant will work, okay? Why does that work? Why does that work? Let me show you. 5 times 7, okay? What is 5 times 7? It's equidistant, right? Basically, it's equidistant. So let me put up a smaller number, okay? That way, it's easier for all of us. 2 times 4, maybe. 2 times 4 is what? It's equidistant from 3. 3 3s are 9 minus the square. 3 3s are 9 minus the square of the distance is 1. So it is 8. How does it work? 2 times 4. Let's say, see, 2 is repeated 4 times, right? This is what I asked you. But when you think about this, right? When you think about this, I can make it into, I can remove these 2 and put it in here. You see? And then the thought process about this is finish this as a square. 3 times 3, 9, and then you subtract this. You see? It can be an array of 3 times 3, but then you have to subtract 1. Similarly, let's say 3 times 5. If that is the case, I'll want 3 to be repeated 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, thing is, what I can do, I can take these 3 away, put those 3 here. Okay? See now, it's almost 4 times 4, but you take away the 1. Right? So it is 15. Makes sense?
Yeah.
Rearrangement of whatever is asked, of the number of boxes, okay? So that's why it works. Now, if you think about 22, no. Let's say, okay, 22. Let's say 22 times 28. It's easy when you think about it. 25 is equidistant at a distance of 3, right? Now, 25 square is 625 minus 9 is your answer. So here, 625 minus 9 is 616, right? 625 minus 9 is 616. Make sense? Okay, any other questions for me here? And one more type we wanted to solve, right? How did we solve? What did I ask you? I forgot. Okay, I asked you 23 times 26 quick, right? We solved what?
The box method?
The box method, yes. Vihan, you want to explain? Yes, Vihan, you raised your hand. Go ahead. Vihan, are you talking in mute? You are. Go ahead.
You draw a box.
You draw a box. Okay. You draw a box. How to draw a box? First split it, right?
Yeah. The 23 and 20 to 6.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead. Aradhya, I'll come to you next. What do you do?
And then you do 20 times 20.
Mm.
And then you do 20 times 3.
Mm.
And you do 6 times 20.
Mm-hmm.
And you do 6 times 3.
Mm-hmm.
And
Add everything.
go together.
Add everything, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Did I make? Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one is not. This one is not equidistant. So, okay, the box method works well for this. Okay, and yeah, Aradhya, what was that, Aradhya? Tell me.
For the vertical crossways, I didn't really understand how that worked.
Okay, 23, 26. Okay, this is not equidistant. Okay, you can't follow that here, but vertical crosswise I can tell you. Vertical is 6 times 3 is 18, ma. Carry over the 1. Now, crosswise you need to multiply, make butterfly wings and multiply crosswise. Okay, so 3 times 2 is 6, right? 6 times 2 is 12, right? Add both together. Okay, 18, and there was a carry, 19. Then you have the 1. 2 times 2 is now vertical again. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now I'm not going to deal with that in detail now. Let's see this one. How about this? It's a good one.
Plus n.
When do you want it to end? Is it boring?
No.
Then let's move on. Plus 105 times minus 9. Come on, guys, try this one. There's something about it, okay? There's something. You have to see the numbers in a different perception. Immediately you can get the answer by now. There's something different about these numbers. May I give you a clue? I didn't see any answer. Can I give you a clue? Or I will let you think.
Can you give us a clue?
Wait, I see something. Wait, is it the fact that like 210 is double 105?
Good job. Yes. That's the deal. 210 is twice on 105. That's the best clue. So slowly you will start recognizing, guys. 100%. Vian, thanks for the reaction. Go ahead. But,
Oh, Miss Priya, I accidentally said the wrong answer. I just now noticed.
no problem at all.
Or wait, is it wrong?
I'll check them out. One minute.
I feel like
1 minute. I want. Okay, guys, don't remind me. If you want to purchase the book together, I will do, but I need your parents to answer that question. Okay, if you want to buy the book by yourself, you buy. If I buy it together, we can get a discount from them as usual. Like every year, I do that, right? So if you want to do, then you have to let me know. Otherwise, you buy whatever it is, we can decide.
What book?
For the book pertaining to this class.
Oh,
Miss Priya, I just sent the wrong answer. Can I fix it?
Yeah, you can fix it. No problem. Devansh, correct, Devansh.
Wait,
Arihan, correct. Sarvata, yes, I know what mistake you did. Fix it.
at first I thought I got it, but now I don't like understand it fully.
That's okay, Vian. I can help. The best clue is 210. You can see always if you're given things like this, right? Desiccate the numbers, meaning split the numbers as many as you can. Then you'll find a way out as well. Distributive properties are our treasure. I told you, right? Distribute to work with numbers, to play around with numbers, distributive property, and splitting the numbers into their prime factors. These are all very useful. Splitting the numbers into its factors or prime factors really help you. Sarvata, I didn't get an answer, the corrected answer from you. No, Neil, that is not that hard, Neil. Correct, Amog. Viraj, correct. So see here. I'll tell you. I told you. What, Kabir, where is your answer? You said.
no, I'm just about to type it in.
Yeah, what was your answer?
Oh, so what I did was I did this 2 times 5, which is 10, and then I did 1050, and then if you look at the other side, you do just times 10, and then you get 1000 and 50, and then you do minus 105, and then you just add a negative.
So what was your answer?
Oh wait, no, I was still solving it, but that was my method.
Okay, good. Send it then.
Wait, why would you wait, how do you from the 210, how do you get wait, so because you got 105 times 2, didn't you have to like where did the 2 go? Like,
Wait,
shouldn't
you multiply with the 5, because if you look at it, then it's easier to multiply 2 times 5 and then get 10 to add a 0 on the other side. Because no matter how you multiply, you're going to get the same answer.
Am I making sense?
Yeah. A bit, yeah.
Okay.
I get it.
Okay, good. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, let's see. How about this? I would really like to do this. Okay, I would really like to see you doing this. Okay. We will start with concepts next week. Okay, I want more strategies in and quicker ways of doing. You know what? I'm sorry, guys. Just be careful, okay? You can mentally do it. I don't know. You might take a while. Remember, plus and minus of the same thing cancels out. Mm-hmm. I see one answer. Very nice. We are on the right route then.
Yeah, see, I have a
I see
question.
two answers. Good.
So,
Okay. On one
the
of the
pre-
book practice Olympiads, I got a 5 out of 5. Okay, and my average scores are 2s and 3s. Are you working, Arihan? Nice to know, Arihan.
yes,
Dad is
I do 3 Olympiads a day.
nice. Dad is making you do.
Yeah.
Good to know. Every day you do. And those that you don't get answers even after rechecking, bring it to class. You got it?
Is my
Uh,
answer?
no, no,
I
no.
have a
Wait,
question.
guys. I'm check. I'm trying to understand what is the answer. Hold on. Yeah. No, it's not that hard, Viraj. That's right, Ammo. Good job.
I have a question.
Neil, that's not that hard. 1 minute, Arihan, please. Aradhya, correct. No, Vian. Devant, correct. Vihan, no. Vian and Vihan have got 0, no.
Can
Arihan, I'll ask you. Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah,
my
yeah.
question
Ar-
is like, with the 430 and 719, are they going to multiply such as parentheses?
yes. If there is no operation between numbers, it's multiplication, right, Arihan? Okay. I really want Amog. What was that, Amog? You have raised your hands. Go ahead.
I explain?
Absolutely. Why not? Go ahead.
Can I draw it on this?
Yes, please draw on the board. It is nice if you all start interacting. Okay, and it would work if you have a pen with you easily, but I'm not forcing anybody to. Go ahead.
Wait, before he starts, like, how do you draw on the board?
Okay, no problem. Do you want to help? Anybody wants to help him? How do you draw on the board? What machine do you have? You have to let us know. Then only we can help you.
You have to click annotate.
Thanks, Sarvata. You have to click annotate. Do you see annotate?
Like
Or a pencil icon?
There's like a small green pencil icon on the bottom left.
Do you see the pencil icon?
Oh, I got it.
above the audio button.
Okay.
It's above the audio button.
Okay, good. I think he got helped. Thank you, guys. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, that's one way, but there is a pen. Okay, pen really helps. You can do, I can do on the board, but I'm not forcing. We'll see later. Okay, now go ahead, Ammuk, please.
So 438 both cancel out. And
Good job. Why both cancel out? Why both are canceling out?
because it's the same number.
Mm-hmm.
And
Is the same number. One is positive. This becomes a positive number product. This product is a negative. Good job. And then
yeah. And then 719. This one's positive and that one's negative, so they both cancel out. And so then we have this and this left. And so since they both are positive numbers, we just do 9,342 minus 1,340, which gave 2.
Good job. Any questions?
No.
Vian and Vihan, did you get it?
Well, yeah, the reason I got it wrong because I thought it was 9,340 minus 9,340.
Okay. So you took it as 0. Okay. I see. That's okay.
Yeah,
Let's move.
I sent it to you that it was like 2.
Oh, okay. See, I was listening to him. I didn't see. Yes, I see it. Okay. I mean 2. Good job. Sarvata, did you understand now?
Yeah, I see what I
Okay.
did.
Okay, good. See, you'll start thinking. Okay, let's see. I have a couple more to finish. Let me see. Where are those? Hold on. I have marked them down. 1 minute, guys. Okay. This one. Okay. Now this becomes very easy. I don't want to do that. Okay. Hey, how about this, guys? What is the answer to this? What is the answer to that?
0.
Wait, can I?
Zero.
What is the
There's
answer?
no answer.
What is the answer?
No, it's,
No, it's
Ah,
infinity.
there's no answer.
It can be anywhere from 0 to infinity.
It's undefined.
Yeah, it's undefined because if you do it, division is basically subtraction. But then if you do 1 minus 0, you can do it as many times as you want, but the answer won't change.
It can be anything from
Inconclusive.
like it can be like anything from negative infinity to infinity.
so
It's
what
like
was
this
the answer, Aradhya?
Yeah.
What was the answer? I didn't hear you. What was it?
I think it's inconclusive. It could be anything.
See, guys, 1 divided by 0. The division by 0 operation is undefined in mathematics. Division by 0 is undefined in mathematics.
Wait, there's one thing I don't get. Like, if it's 1 divided by 0, that's undefined. But then 0 divided by 1, that's 0.
Exactly. 0. You have 0 apples with you. Okay. You're trying to split it to 1 person. How many apples will that 1 person get?
Yeah.
No.
He will get 0 apples.
Can
So
I
it is
show
still defined. You see
Can
what I
I
mean? This is correct. This is not correct. This operation is undefined in mathematics.
Wait,
Yes,
but then
Arihan. Go.
Can I show a strategy?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, so I'll draw this myself.
Mm-hmm.
So 1 divided by 0 is basically like dividing 1 into 0 parts. Like that's just 0.
Mm-hmm.
Or it can also be infinity. Like how many times does 0 go into 1? That could be infinity.
No, it's not. That's what I'm saying, Arihan. The division by 0 operation is undefined in mathematics. We have not defined it as an operation at all in mathematics. So, anywhere you see a division by 0, I see kids even in the high school not having that clarity there. So, division by 0 is completely an undefined operation in mathematics.
wait,
Aradhya.
wait.
Yes.
But then, like, if you use your example, like, there's one apple, like apple, and you're splitting into 0 people, then wouldn't it be 0 because you have one apple and you're giving it to nobody, so it's
Wait.
0?
No, I have a question.
Go.
I like
I'll come to that, Vian. Go ahead.
Wait, so like I like Vian's approach. If you have one apple and you have 0 people, doesn't that technically mean you still have one apple because you went to nobody?
No, right? You are trying to find in division. What are you trying to find? Okay, you're trying. See, in division, you're trying to find. Let's say you have 2 apples. You give it to. Let's say we have 4 apples. You give it to 2 people. What each of them got is what you're trying to find, right?
Yeah.
What you're left with is not what you're trying to find. You see 1 apple when you divide it by 0. Yes, you're left with 1 apple. That's not what I want, right? The division quotient is what I want, right?
Oh, okay. I see it. Yeah, I see it.
Okay, Aradhya. Yes, Aradhya.
So the other day, my sister asked me, so if I had 20 over 3 minus 20 over 3, would I just write 0?
Yeah.
I told her I didn't. So
because it's plus and plus x minus x. It's like that, right? Any positive number with the same negative added becomes 0.
Yeah, because my teacher at school, she said it's 0/3, which would be inconclusive.
It is 0/3, which is, let me see. 20/3 minus 20/3 is what?
0/3.
0/3, which is what? 0/3 is what?
Inconclusive.
What, ma? 0/3 is what?
They're undefined.
Ma, 3/0 is undefined.
When is class gonna end?
Okay. I'm going to end it now, Arihan. 0/3 is 0. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Ma, Aradhya, are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, any questions, guys? Any questions? Okay,
How many?
good to
How
know.
many? I have a question. How many? In the Mo's book series, is there like only 2 books for
Okay.
the elementary?
Next week I want to show you where I want you to work online as well. I'll do it next week. I forgot this week. Okay. So this is the book that we will use. Pre-algebra by AOPS Pre-algebra, Art of Problem Solving. Pre-algebra book we will use. Okay.
Okay.
Wait,
So
The book by Ravi Bopanna will use. Yeah. Go ahead.
wait, if I have like if I like find like a hard math problem that I'm struggling with throughout the week, can I send it to you and can you help me?
Yeah, I will definitely do.
I have a question.
Yeah, you don't need to copy this, guys. I will send, I already sent it to your moms and dads. Okay, they will have to buy or we will have to buy it together. Okay, please check with your moms and dads. If you need to buy it together, you have to message me. If you don't want me to buy, I will buy it myself. Feel free to. But if you want to buy it in bulk, let me know. Okay, your moms and dads should ping me if you want to buy it together. Okay,
What is it for?
only after getting your inputs, I will order. Okay, otherwise, I'll leave it to you guys. Okay, you let me know. I want a count if we are all buying it in bulk. Okay,
What is
but we
it?
need to buy it. But we need to buy it quickly. This is very urgent. Okay.
What
I
is
have a
buy?
question.
What is
Yeah.
it?
Yeah. Bulk means together in big quantity in a together. All of us together when we buy it's bulk. Yeah. Go ahead.
And I have another question.
What is it?
So in like the Mom's Olympiad books, how many elementary ones are there?
Volume 2 is half of elementary.
I'm almost finished with volume 1.
Good, that's nice. 80 exercises if you do 80 days. That's great. Wonderful. Okay, please continue with volume 2 elementary. Okay?
So I had
Okay.
a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
So I know how to do exponents, but a couple days ago I came across a problem with an exponent like 2 to the power of 30. So I wanted to know if there was a faster way to solve that other than 2 times 2 times 2 times 2.
1 minute, Amma. Guys, if you don't have questions, you can log off. If you have questions, you stay. Okay? See you all next week, guys.
You said I have to stay after class because
Yes, Vihan, yes. Yes. Let's go ahead and discuss. What is your question, Ma Aradhya? Aradhya, 2 power of
2 power of 30.
3 is 2 power of 3 is 2 times 2 times 2. There's no other easy way.
No, 2 power of 30.
2 power of 30? They won't ask you to calculate this. You have to use a calculator.
No, because so I do Kumon and one of the question was 2 to the power of 30 and I was like, is there a faster way to do it other than like 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 over and over again?
I don't think so. I don't think so. Maybe you can split it out as 2 power of 10 times 2 power of 10 times 2 power of 10. So what does that work? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 16, 32. You can have it memorized, ma. 64, 128, 256, 512, 10.
Priya?
512, 1 minute, ma. 512, 1024. I don't know, ma, at least. You see what I mean? Because I don't see it a point at all. You see? Got it?
Yeah.
Yep. Maybe see, Kumon goes far into mental math. I don't
Yeah.
know. Okay. Yep. Yes, Vian and Vihan. What's up?
So I ran across this question in Beast Academy 5.
Mm-hmm.
It said, what's the difference between this negative 2 to the power of, let's say, 2 or I mean not or and negative 2 to the power of 2.
Good job. Nice question.
And and negative 2 to the power of 2 and negative 2 to the power of 2.
Yeah. So this is minus 4, negative 2 square. So this, whatever is in parenthesis, you'll do. Negative.
Yeah.
Does it make sense?
Okay, so whatever is in the parentheses, that's what I only do.
Yeah. And then apply the subtraction, apply the negative
So
sign.
this one would be this one would be negative 4 because
Correct.
and
Correct.
this one would be 4
Yeah. This one would be, this
4
one would,
and this one would be negative 4.
There's a discount if
yeah. Yeah,
Wait,
correct. Correct.
Would
And
be
this one,
negative 4 or 4?
this one would be, see, negative 2 is not in parenthesis. It's not in parenthesis. So you will do the 2 square and then apply the negative sign. Got it?
So
Okay.
then this one is also negative 4.
Yep.
Yeah,
Okay.
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 Bye.
Bye, guys.
I have a question.
What is it?
Do you know titration?
Oh, same here. I do.
It's like how many times a number is like exponented to itself. It's like for example, like three titerated to 2. It's basically just like wait, what?
Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll let you guys discuss that.
Wait, no, Miss Priya, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
So I was gonna ask two things. First of all, about that girl's question, you know how it said 2 to the power 30?
Uh-huh.
You know how there are like 32s there?
Yeah.
Why not do 4 to the power of 15 then?
4 to the power. Yeah, again, it's hard, right, to calculate.
Yeah, and the second question was, it's 2 to the power of 0, I think, is like 1, right?
Correct.
But why? I heard like there's some like really
Because
complicated method about
see,
why and
it's
x.
all about patterns, right? It's all about patterns, right? 2 to the power of 3 is 8. 2 to the power of C is division by 2. So 2 division by 2, 1 division by 2, 1 by 2. Got it?
Oh, okay. I see. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Have a good day.
Arihan, let's discuss this next week, Arihan. Bring it up next week.
Okay. Bye.
Okay? Bye. Vihan, when are you going to India?
I'll get my parents.
Yeah, please.
Mama?
Oh my God, car door is open, huh?
Hey, hi.
Hi, Vihan's mom, you're going to India. So,
Yeah.
so my thing is, pre-algebra AOPS book is hard. You see, meaning I positioned you in the class. I know you had mentioned, but I don't know. Will you go and cope by yourself there? Will you keep doing the work? Because when you come back, it would be difficult for him to join this class, right?
Actually, we
Oh,
haven't.
நீங்க தமிழா? Okay,
Tamil
fine.
தான்.
No, 1 minute. இருங்களேன். Stop this recording.